A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. I seek refuge in Allah from the shaitan, the stone. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. With the name of Allah, the most gracious, most merciful. Dear audience, I greet you all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today's topic: do you know why Jews and Christians are so happy and peaceful in the world, in the kingdom of Allah? Because they only follow by deeds Allah's Quran. Allah says, Surah number 3, ayah number 83, أَفَغَيْرَ دِينِ اللَّهِ يَبْغُونَ وَلَهُ أَسْلَمَ مَنْ فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ طَوْعًا وَكَرْهًا وَإِلَيْهِ يُرْجَعُونَ. Translation: do people seek to accept anything other than the way of life given by Allah? But Islam is established for the sake of Allah in the heavens and the earth, willingly and unwillingly, and all things will be returned to Allah. And why are the so-called Musliman Shia, Musliman Sunni, Musliman Salafi, Musliman Qadiani in such turmoil? Do you know that? Because they follow human written hadith, human written falsafas, human written riwayat. As a result, today they are divided into thousands of groups and opinions all over the world. As long as the so-called Musliman Shia, Sunni, Salafi and others do not follow the Quran alone, until then Muslims in this country and the whole world of Allah will not be able to achieve peace, order and power. I have not seen Musliman Shia, Sunni, Salafi and Ahmadi, Qadiani and Baha'i and others among Jews, Christians. However, I saw people observing the Quran, and I did not see the Quran among the Musliman Shia, Sunni, Salafi and others, but the people who observed the Hadith, Fiqh, Riwayat, Shan-e-Nuzul and Sirat. I saw factions, I saw different sects, I saw different factions, I saw chaos, I saw turmoil, I saw murder. So let's stray in the shade of the Quran. Then you can be success, other than not. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.